The retaining ring is used to secure your impact driver's bit chuck assembly. It fits into the groove on the end of the anvil and holds the chuck assembly together. Over time, the retaining ring can lose its tension and fall off, causing the chuck to come apart. Replacing the retaining ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the retaining ring from the chuck. There's a flat on one side of the anvil. I'll use a pick through that flat to remove the retaining ring. And now I can install the new retaining ring. I'll place the washer over the spring and compress it so the washer slides around the anvil. And now I can install the retaining ring. A small screwdriver works good to push the retaining ring down into the groove. And that's how easy it is to replace the retaining ring in your impact driver. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.